See how to harvest a turmeric plant. Okay, this I've kept in sacks in the rooftop. Okay, we'll see. I'm taking it out. We'll see how much I get from this one. Okay. It is very easy for doing it. So taking it. See, from a single turmeric plant on rooftop, I've got so much turmeric. Okay. So this is a normal turmeric. I use only a variety which is used by farmers. I'm not using any hybrid varieties. Okay, this is a normal variety of turmeric that I've planted, and I'm getting the out of it. I'm reaping its benefit. Okay. See, for anything you can have it on rooftop. Okay. This is better to have a rooftop one. See, everything you have good yield. We'll go for the next plant, see the soil conditions, everything which is there. Okay. Here is also another plant that I've planted on roof. I hope that also gives me good yield. Okay, that hasn't yielded a lot, but here I've got a good yield. Okay. The yield completely depends upon how you plant it, okay, and how you get it out. Okay. I've been doing it for several years. Okay. I don't use any fertilizer. That is, I use only natural fertilizer like cow dung and other waste things which we get at house. See, also a bone is there. Okay, every waste I'm using it. I haven't used anything other than that in this one. Okay, see that how the harvest is there. Okay, this is a natural ginger that I've harvested. Okay, so you can easily do it at rooftop. For doing it at rooftop, okay, I'll show you how to plant it. Okay, take the previous soil away completely. Okay, put only a little soil at the bottom. Okay, only a little soil at the bottom. I've got these plants which I've already taken. Actually, it is weeds which grow in our fields. Okay. This, I keep it inside. Okay. This gives a good composition of different minerals that is required for the good growth of turmeric plant. Okay, see, you can use a pot or a sack. This I've used it because water draining everything is easy while you are using sack rather than a pot. Okay, then I'm putting some of the soil that I've already used for turmeric plantation. if you have the same turmeric plant, okay, you can take from that itself, okay, small turmeric ones, okay. Otherwise you can take small pieces of turmeric, like this, and you can plant it, okay. As I've got small plants, I'm planting the same one, okay. I've got small turmeric one which I've got from the older things, so I'm planting the same one, okay. You can use this as manure also, okay. I'm planting it all the sides. See, I've got this plant, so I'm planting it. Planted all the sides, and for the central, I'm again looking for it. I'm separating from the main plant so that it has got 2 or 3 ones. I'm keeping it, okay. If you have got already a turmeric plant, you can use this way. Otherwise you can take small pieces from the turmeric plant and you can have it. See, I'm putting the same soil on it, okay. So it can be said that you are reusing the soil also without waste, because in most of the place you don't get soil, so you can reuse the soil also, and you can plant this one also, okay. See, the abilities of this one are very high. See, you have to get on small piece, means it takes 20 to 30 rupees. It's easy for you to harvest. Then the main thing is it is completely based on organic culture, okay. So organic, we see in many places we don't get organic things or anything, so you can do it in your house itself, okay. It is better to do this in a house. See how much I've got from my older one. This is a sample which I'm doing it. I've got more plants. I've done it on my field, but this is my rooftop agriculture which I've done and which I've shown it. Thank you.